Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look at Bitcoin again, because yes, the situation has changed. As you know, by the Fed, they have provided in fact unlimited liquidity to the markets, and that has made an impact on all markets across the board, especially on the gold. As you can see, it was really very strong rally. Now we see bounce not only on the commodities but even on the stock market, and the same story on the Bitcoin. So that makes us to apply some adjustment to our trading plan, because initially we suggested and have the major scenario as the possible downside continuation right from this level, because that is strong resistance. Actually, it's still working. It has not been broken yet. That's mostly the question of this top. So while market stands here, it doesn't prove yet that will definitely continue move higher, but with the changing background, with the fiscal stimulus by the Fed, well, the situation also has changed here and is changing right now. So that's why today we also have to consider the possible two-leg upside retracement. We do not deny our trading plan with a downward continuation to the 33 area by far, but the recent inputs that we have from the Fed makes us consider also alternative scenario with a deeper retracement. And here we consider currently the possible two-leg retracement, some kind of the ABCD action, right to the 80 even area, which is the 618 resistance, next resistance area. So currently chances on this possible upward continuation looks significant. And yesterday we haven't got any levels that we have specified in our video, because we talked about the 50-52 area to consider possible taking the long position, because it could be possible some kind of the ABCD pattern to the downside, but this scenario has been erased by the news from the Fed, and instead of that, market has turned up. Currently, on the new background, we have to consider this scenario that you have. You could see on the follow time frame chart. First of all, we have the same ABC bottom pattern. OP has been reached, retracement. Here is news from the Fed, upward continuation stance. Here we consider the next target, which is the XOP 78.73 approximately, which agrees with the 80 level on the daily chart. Simultaneously, this price, the price could shape the butterfly sell. In this case, it's 1618 extension coincides with this level and creates the same resistance around the level, and well, provides the same target. That's approximately the scenario that we could keep an eye on currently. So as you could see, longer term scenario stands the same. We just adjust the way how market could turn down, and we change the short term picture without bringing any changing in the longer term trading plan. So that's also what is stand around the short term. And also keep an eye on this point. That's very important in the red circle, because market has to break it up to confirm this trading plan. If market starts coiling around, forming just A, B, C, D, and forming not the butterfly but godless triple to sell, it could mean that these measures from the Fed are not enough to push market higher, and in this case market still could turn down. So that's really what could happen. So for the bears, again, if you have short position, you do nothing, because your stops already should be at the break even. For a new shorts, this is not a good idea, as we said yesterday, and this hasn't changed. If you would like to go short, now you just need to wait for this action will be over. For the bulls, well, this is a bit different scenario. So if yesterday we talked about 50-52 area, currently you could, I don't know, well, you could try to buy right here, or just wait for the breakout of this point using stop entry order, stop buy order above this top, but well, upside potential here will be limited. So currently, as we have just a retracement up, it's difficult to get good risk-reward points for taking position, because if you're taking long here, you will have to place stop below this area. In this case, risk-reward will be, well, it will be more than one, but not too much. Applying stop entry order also will provide you reward right here, but where you place your stop. This will be just maybe money stop or something of that sort. So that's the things that you have to decide for yourself. Well, that's what we have currently on the Bitcoin market, as the Fed news have changed the shape of the short-term charts on the Bitcoin.